Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Easy with Podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. Hi, everyone. How are you today?
We hope you're doing great. Today, we have a very special topic for you.
Yes, we're going to talk about journaling and how it can change your life in 2026.
That's right. Journaling is writing in a journal or diary every day.
It's a simple habit, but it can be very powerful.
Olivia, do you keep a journal?
I do. I started journaling about 3 years ago. It changed my life completely.
Really? How did it change your life?
Well, I became more organized. I also understood my feelings better.
That's wonderful. I started journaling last year, and I noticed the same things.
It's amazing, right? So today, we want to share this habit with our listeners.
Yes, we'll talk about why journaling is good for you.
And we'll also share some easy ways to start journaling.
Perfect. Let's begin. Olivia, why should people start journaling?
Great question, John. There are many reasons. First, journaling helps you remember things.
That's true. When you write something down, you remember it better.
Exactly. For example, if you write about your day, you can remember all the good moments.
I like that. What's another reason?
Journaling also helps you understand your emotions.
Your emotions are your feelings, like happiness, sadness, or anger.
Right. When you write about your feelings, you can understand them better.
Can you give us an example?
Sure. Let's say you had a bad day at work. You feel angry and stressed.
Okay, I understand.
If you write about it in your journal, you can ask yourself, why do I feel this way?
And then you can find the answer.
Exactly. Maybe you're angry because your boss didn't listen to you.
So writing helps you find the problem.
Yes, and when you know the problem, you can solve it.
That makes sense. What's another benefit of journaling?
Journaling can help you reach your goals.
Your goals are the things you want to achieve in life.
Right. For example, maybe you want to learn English better.
Or maybe you want to get a new job.
Exactly. When you write your goals in your journal, they become more real.
I agree. I write my goals every month, and it really helps me.
That's great, John. Do you achieve your goals more easily now?
Yes, I do. When I write my goals, I think about them more.
And when you think about them, you take action.
Exactly. It's like a circle. You write, you think, you act, and you achieve.
I love that. So listeners, if you have goals for 2026, write them down.
Yes, don't just think about them. Write them in your journal. Now, let's talk about another benefit. Journaling can reduce stress.
Stress is the feeling of being worried or nervous.
Yes, many people feel stress every day.
Work, family, money, there are many reasons for stress.
That's true, but journaling can help you feel calmer.
How does it work?
When you write about your problems, you take them out of your mind.
So your mind becomes clearer.
Exactly. It's like cleaning your room. When your room is clean, you feel better.
And when your mind is clear, you feel less stressed.
Yes, I always feel more relaxed after I write in my journal.
Me too. It's like talking to a good friend.
That's a perfect way to describe it, John. Thank you. So we talked about many benefits. Let me summarize them.
Good idea.
First, journaling helps you remember things better.
Second, it helps you understand your emotions.
Third, it helps you reach your goals.
And fourth, it reduces stress.
Those are 4 great reasons to start journaling.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk about how to start.
Yes, because some people might think journaling is difficult.
But it's not. Anyone can start journaling today.
That's right. You don't need special skills or expensive materials.
All you need is a notebook and a pen.
Or you can use your phone or computer.
Yes, there are many journaling apps you can use.
But I prefer writing by hand. It feels more personal.
I agree. There's something special about writing with a pen.
Okay, so you have your notebook and pen. What's next?
Next, choose a time to write every day.
This is very important. You need to make journaling a habit.
Right. A habit is something you do regularly, like brushing your teeth.
When do you write in your journal, Olivia?
I write every morning, right after I wake up.
Why in the morning?
Because my mind is fresh and clear. I can think better.
That makes sense. I write in the evening before I go to bed
Why do you prefer the evening?
because I can review my whole day. I can write about what happened.
That's a good reason. So, listeners, you can choose morning or evening.
Or any time that works for you. The important thing is to be consistent.
Consistent means doing it regularly, at the same time every day.
Exactly. Now, how long should you write?
You don't need to write for a long time. Even 5 minutes is enough.
Really? Just 5 minutes?
Yes, when you're starting, it's better to write for a short time every day.
Rather than writing for a long time once a week.
Exactly. Consistency is more important than length.
I agree. When I started, I only wrote for 5 minutes.
And now?
Now I write about 15 minutes, but I built up to that slowly.
That's perfect, John. You should never force yourself to write too much.
Right. Journaling should be enjoyable, not stressful.
Absolutely. Now, let's talk about what to write.
Yes, this is a common question. What should I write about?
There are many things you can write about. Let me give you some ideas.
Great. Our listeners will love this.
First, you can write about your day. What did you do? Who did you meet?
This is simple and easy. Everyone can do this.
Exactly. You can write, "Today I went to work. I had lunch with my friend Sarah."
Simple sentences like that are perfect.
Yes, you don't need to write long, complicated sentences.
What's another idea?
You can write about your feelings. How do you feel today?
For example, today I feel happy because the weather is nice.
Perfect. Or, "I feel tired because I didn't sleep well last night."
These are honest and simple sentences.
Yes. Remember, your journal is private. You can be completely honest.
Nobody will read it except you.
Exactly. So don't worry about grammar or spelling.
Just write what you think and feel.
Right. What's another thing people can write about?
They can write about their goals and dreams.
Yes, this is very powerful. What do you want to achieve this year?
Maybe you want to learn a new skill.
Or improve your health?
Or build better relationships with your family and friends.
Whatever your goals are, write them down in January.
Yes, write them at the beginning of the year.
And then review them every month.
This will keep you focused on what's important.
Exactly. What's another way journaling can help?
You can use your journal to track your habits.
Habits are the small things you do every day.
Right, like exercising, reading, or practicing English.
If you want to build a new habit, write about it in your journal.
Every day you can check, did I do my habit today?
This makes you more accountable.
Accountable means responsible for your actions.
Yes, when you write it down, you're more likely to do it.
I use this method for my exercise habit.
Does it work?
Yes, I exercise much more consistently now.
That's great, John. What's another way journaling can help in 2026?
You can use your journal to solve problems.
Yes, when you have a problem, write about it.
Ask yourself, what is the real problem?
What are my options?
What's the best solution?
When you write these questions and answers, you think more clearly.
Exactly. Your journal becomes a problem-solving tool.
I love that. What else?
You can use your journal to celebrate your wins.
Your wins are your successes and achievements.
Yes, many people only focus on their problems and failures.
But it's important to celebrate your successes too.
Absolutely. So when something good happens, write about it.
For example, today I finished a difficult project at work. I'm proud of myself.
Yes, this builds your confidence.
And it reminds you that you're making progress.
Exactly. So listeners, don't forget to celebrate your wins.
Great advice. Now, let's give our listeners some final tips.
Yes, let's summarize everything we talked about.
First tip, start small. Just 5 minutes a day is enough.
Second tip, be consistent. Write at the same time every day.
Third tip, don't worry about being perfect. Just write honestly.
Fourth tip, choose a type of journaling that works for you.
Fifth tip, use your journal to set goals and track your progress.
And finally, enjoy the process. Journaling should be fun.
Those are excellent tips, John.
Thank you, Olivia. I hope our listeners will start journaling today.
Me too. Remember, everyone, 2026 is your year.
Yes, you can change your life with this simple habit.
All you need is a notebook, a pen, and 5 minutes a day.
That's all. It's so simple, but so powerful.
So what are you waiting for? Start your journal today.
Yes, don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now.
And if you start journaling, tell us about it.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you. Send us a message or leave a comment.
Tell us, what will you write about in your journal?
We're excited to hear your stories. Before we finish, let's do a quick review of some vocabulary.
Good idea. Let's help our listeners remember the new words.
First word, journal, a book where you write your thoughts and feelings every day.
Second word, habit, something you do regularly, like brushing your teeth.
Third word, emotions, your feelings like happiness, sadness, or anger.
Fourth word, goals, the things you want to achieve in life.
Fifth word, stress, the feeling of being worried or nervous.
Sixth word, consistent, doing something regularly at the same time.
Seventh word, gratitude, being thankful for the good things in your life.
Eighth word, perspective, the way you see things.
And finally, accountable, being responsible for your actions.
Great! Those are important words for today's topic.
Yes, listeners, try to use these words in your own journal.
That's a great way to practice.
Absolutely. Well, I think that's all for today.
Yes, we covered a lot of information.
We talked about why journaling is important,
We shared different types of journaling.
and we gave you tips on how to start.
Now it's your turn to take action.
Yes, grab a notebook and start writing today.
Your future self will thank you.
That's true. Journaling is a gift you give to yourself.
What a beautiful way to end our episode.
Thank you for listening to Speak English Easy with Podcast.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
Remember to practice your English every day.
And don't forget to start your journal.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep learning and keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.